I believe a story can be told in many different voices. It might not exactly be through speaking, but for others their voices are found inside of their art. It might be through a note in a song, or from a shower of sparks flying off of a welder. A brushstroke gently moving across a canvas board. It could be through the skilled knife of a chef, or through the perspective and storytelling of a filmmaker. Art allows us to convey our emotions. It gives voice to our ideas and feelings, connecting us to others through our work. But whatever way it is being expressed, there is always a story being told. We owe everything to our art. Our art is our voices.
I walk alone beside myself, nowhere to go. This bleeding heart is in my hands. I fell apart. I walk alone beside myself, nowhere to go. My flesh and bone, this part of me, the seeds I've sown.
Art is all around us. Just listen for its voice.
My flesh and bone, this part of me, the seeds I've sown.
This is my voice.
This is my voice.
This is my voice.
This is my voice.
And this is my voice.